إن بعض ظن اسmun.
Yes.
So why in some cases and not in all cases? For suspicion is to be.
In many cases, Zann is good, because the Holy Quran says, why don't you have the good Zann about your brothers? But the Holy Quran itself invites believers to have good Zann about their brothers. How can you call it bad Zann? So every Zann is not bad. It's the intention of the Zann which makes it good or makes it bad. If you think well of your brothers and sisters, and even if they apparently do a bad thing, but you think, no, they must have in some reason you don't know. You're not alimul ghayb wa shahada, so you think well of your brothers and sisters. How can you call it bad Zann? So not all the Zann is bad. Baaza Zann is. Your intentions are bad. You hate somebody and attribute wrong motives to that somebody.